How to log into your Target account on new phone. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is make sure that your Target account has been logged out of your old device. Then from there, you can simply open your Target, right? So after making sure that you have installed it on your new phone, you can open your Target, and then from here, make sure that you have all of the credentials remembered of your account. Then from here, you can simply tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you can actually get into this particular login link. From this login link, you can actually add in all of the credentials of your account, so like your email address and the password of your account. After doing that, all you need to do is tap on login, and just like that, you'll successfully be logged into your account. Like I said, add in your email address and password. So in case if you have forgotten the password of your account, you can even tap on reset password, and like that you'll be able to reset your password too. So in case if you want to continue with your OnePass, you can also tap on continue with OnePass and then go along with the process of logging in with your OnePass too. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.